Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how the remote smart parking assist works on the vehicle. Lock it, press and hold it to start it. Vehicle starts, and then press the P forward to bring the vehicle out of its spot. Press and hold it. Vehicle will engage in gear and it will start moving forward. There you go. Check that out. And it will stop before hitting the car in the front. Let's test it out. Oh, it wasn't stopping. So I had to turn it off by myself. I'm sure it would have stopped, but hey, I'm not sitting here trying to find out, right? So let's park it back. Park this back. Press and hold the back button and bring it back into its spot. Now that did make me a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie, maybe I shouldn't have gotten scared, right? Because this car just parked itself. But still, it is better to be safe than sorry. So here we go. Boom. Thank you so much for watching, guys.